Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the final week and the final video of the FemEng Virtual Outreach Project. I hope you've enjoyed them all so far. It's me, Tony again, and I'm the outreach convener of FemEng. You've met me previously with the introductory video and the aeronautical engineering workshop video. So this is video 6, the 6th and final video of the FemEng Virtual Outreach. As you have hopefully already done by now, you will have completed the introductory video, the aeronautical, the biomedical, civil and mechanical engineering workshops. Now, if you haven't already done so, then please go back and watch them, follow along with them. I think they're very, very exciting and very helpful, and so I hope that you will enjoy them as well. This video is just going to be a short video, but I also wanted to take this opportunity to remind you all that if you have any questions for any of the mentors that you've previously met, myself included, then please feel free to email us at femeng, so FEMENG at gues.org.uk. And we will answer your questions either through email or with our virtual Zoom call on Friday. So I'm just going to take the chance now to go over all of the other different types of engineering. I know we covered aeronautical, civil, biomedical and mechanical engineering in the previous workshops, but I also want to highlight that there are so many other different types of engineering, from chemical engineering to electrical engineering, and in the introductory video I did explain that electrical engineering is super important and also well known in the engineering industry, but that it wasn't safe for us to carry out workshops to do with electrical engineering because it can be quite dangerous, quite tricky. So I'm just going to explain that electrical engineering can involve computers to software. Here, as shown on the screen, is a circuit board, so they can solder different resistors and different components on to help computers work. Or electrical engineers can be involved with power engineering, telecommunication systems, so your mobile phones, your laptop, your tablet, your computer, however you're watching me right now. Electrical engineers will have had to be involved in the process of designing and building these devices, so super important. There's also environmental engineering, which is also extremely important right now. The environmental engineers work with different types of engineers to try and produce and create products or systems that are more environmentally friendly, so better for the environment, safer, don't pollute as much, so they don't release harmful chemicals to the atmosphere, which in turn would damage our atmosphere and our environment, and trees might not be able to grow and could harm wildlife and animals. And so the environmental engineers are really important to try and keep the planet healthy, keep ourselves healthy and safe. We also have mechatronic engineering, and so they are a mixture of different types of engineers. So they can have a background in mechanical engineering, also electrical engineering, hence the wee electronics part. So they can build robots and cool products and vehicles and equipment and things as well. And finally, software engineering, which is a bit like programming. So I won't go too much into that, but it can create systems that help us in everyday life, from people at home or maybe purchasing something online and have a discount code. Then software engineers will have created a system that allows for the discount code to go through and then you can get money off. So I've got a question for all of you now. So take some time to have a think about what kind of engineer you want to be. I know in the workshops we discussed aeronautical engineering, biomedical engineering, civil engineering and mechanical engineering, but what about product design engineering or electrical engineering? Have a wee think about all that, and you don't have to worry right now. You don't have to decide if you want to be an engineer or what kind of engineer you want to be right now. But this means that you have time to have a wee think, and you can explore what your interests are, be creative, be curious, solve problems, and have a wee think. Maybe we can discuss that on Friday with our Zoom call, because it would be great to hear what kind of engineer you want to be, if you want to be an engineer or if you want to be involved in the STEM field, so science, technology, engineering or mathematics. So you could also drop us a wee email as well, and you can let us know what you think. Finally, I just wanted to take the time just to go over who you have met during this process and this project. So we have myself, obviously Tony, Ruji and Natalia, who you met with the biomedical engineering workshop, Katrina, who took you through the civil engineering workshop, and Katie, who is a product design engineering student, but she took you through the mechanical engineering workshop video. And so it's another wee reminder that you will be meeting all 5 of us on Friday again to ask us some questions. But you can also drop us an email at femengs@gues.org.uk. So now I'd like to just take the time to thank you all for being involved in the first ever virtual outreach project by FemEng. I really hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new and you had fun at home learning about science and engineering. And who knows, maybe now you might want to pursue a career in STEM or engineering. So also, if you wanted to drop us an email as well and just explain how this project workshops helped you and encourage you to maybe be a wee bit more creative or curious, use different skills and things that you have learned during these workshops, then please feel free to email us as well and just let us know. I am super excited about this project, and I hope that you're all excited as well about science and engineering and maths and technology, and that you will maybe want to pursue a career in those fields in the future, who knows. So that's it for this video just now. As I said, it was a short video, but I'm looking forward to seeing you all on Friday with our Zoom call. Bye!